Welcome back, Cat Babes. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how I created this unique Pride Month look. So if you'd like to see how to achieve it, just keep watching. And stay tuned for the giveaway winner as well. Hi babes, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to go ahead and do a Pride makeup look for the month of Pride. So first off, we're going to go ahead and start out with the Fit Me foundation by Maybelline in the color 128. And we're just going to go ahead and blend that all over our face like usual, but I will be going and putting it all over my neck and chest just because this look demands a lot of color, and this will help the color not to stain your skin, because I always end up with stain marks from pinks and purples on my eyelids, so I'd rather be safe than sorry. Then going in with the Revlon setting face powder in the color Sandstorm, just go ahead and set your foundation. This way you don't run into any issues if the foundation is still damp or anything. It just helps to make your look more seamless and prettier. And then going in, we're going to go ahead and use the James Charles palette by Morphe. This is one of my go-to color palettes besides the BH Cosmetics palette. So right here we're going into that yellow shade and taking a Wet n Wild contour brush and contouring out our cheekbones and our forehead. And now with this color, I will say just keep going in until you get the brightness that you want, just because it does take a little bit. And then doing the same thing with the pink shade from that palette, I went and used a eyeshadow brush. Now you can use whatever brush you prefer to do contour with. I just felt like this was a little bit easier trying to blend it with the yellow. And like I said, just keep going over it until you get the color pigmentation and payoff that you like. And then going in with those two purple shades, I blended them in together just because I thought the color payoff for the purple was a little bit more vibrant, kind of like the purple shade that is in the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. Now I did go and blend more with those shades together with the pink and yellow, so just keep in mind that you have to keep building the color up to get the color pigmentation that you desire. Now here I took some beauty sponges that I picked up at the dollar store to dab pink all over my chest. You just dip it into your eyeshadow. You can get it wet or you can leave it dry like I did, and you just want to place that all over the place for this look, as well as the purple shades as well. So just keep plopping those colors wherever you see fit, and basically wherever you want them. There's no rhyme or reason to this. I just threw it together and I liked how it came out. Then jumping into the lime green shade, you just want to go ahead and contour underneath the yellow to give like a abstract feel to the look. I don't really understand why I put the green, but I felt it was necessary. And then going in with that green shade, you're just going to go ahead and dab that color all over your neck and chest like you did with the pink and purple, just so that it ties into the color scheme on your face. So I failed to realize that the lime green did not show up as well on my chest as I had hoped, so I started to use the dark green in the James Charles palette just to get a little bit more of that green shadow shade in my chest look that I was going for, so that is why the shade changed from light to dark. And then going into the light blue shade, we are going to go ahead and dab that a little bit on the cheekbones like blush, just to give that effect of blush. And then going into that blue shade as well, you're going to want to go ahead and put that all over your chest as well to tie in your chest piece to your face look. And like I said, place it wherever you see fit and how you like it. There is no rhyme or reason for the placement of these dabs, sponge look. I don't know what you would want to call it. Then going back in with the purples and pinks, we're just going to go ahead and keep building up those colors just because I felt like they had gotten lost underneath the blue and green. So just keep blending it out until you get the desired look you are going for. That is the only thing I can say with makeup, is you have to keep blending or just anything with it to get it to the spot that you would like it to be in. And then going into the orange shade in the palette, we're just going to go ahead and do that in the inner corner of my eye to do like a sort of semicircle effect, because then we go in with the red shade and then we blend it out like a cat eye look, and you just keep building up the color until the red is as red as you can possibly get it. And then I also added the red and orange to my chest as well. And then going back into the pink shade, I'm just darkening up my contour look because I felt like it had gotten lost underneath the blue shade. And then adding some purples around my lips just to tie that in, because I didn't really know what to do in this part for a lip look, so I just felt like I would tie my lips into my chest piece. And then going in with the NYX liquid white eyeliner, I just started to draw like little stars and things like that all over my chest, kind of like a galaxy theme look, but I wanted it to stand out. Once you're done drawing on the stars, or however many you would like, I took one of these sponges and put the liquid white eyeliner on it just to make these little specks of like sparkles on my chest and my face. So I just wiped the liquid eyeliner on the sponge, and that is how I created the little specks. I will say this part was a little harder because it dries really fast, so just be mindful of that, because if you're not, it'll dry and then you will have just wasted product. And then going in with the Wet n Wild black felt tip eyeliner. I just started writing words that meant a lot to the LGBTQ community because they are just like everyone else. They want to be loved, accepted, happy, beautiful, and they're prideful. So I felt like that these words stood out for that, and their placements I felt fit perfectly with the look I created, and I'm proud of this, and I'm happy that they are able to be themselves, and that's all that matters, because that's all anyone wants, is to be themselves and to be accepted. So I'm pretty happy that I have friends that are okay with telling me that they're gay, and I'm just happy with that. Like, no judgment here. Once the writing is done, go ahead and add your favorite mascara and make your lashes look full, because this look I did not put on any falsies. I just wanted it to be more natural but vibrant with color. So I did not use falsies. And then going in with the highlighter I picked up from the dollar store. This one is by Smoke and Mirrors. It is called Pearl. I just went in very, very, very heavy-handed with this, and that is how we got to the pearlescent color all over my body. Alright, cat babes, that is the end of this Pride look tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this different style video. If you'd like to see more or anything like that, comment below, give me a like, thumbs up. And again, thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys! Without further ado, let's go ahead and pick the name. And the winner of my giveaway is And I Ope. Woo woo! Congrats, girl! I will go ahead and be contacting you for your address and info. And thank you guys so much for entering my giveaway. I'm going to be doing another one very soon, so stay tuned for that. And I hope you guys had fun,